Farley and BGS Firecrackers are next to go, jumping as individuals in the competition. This is a 9-year-old Irish sport horse mare who is some freak of a jumper.
Looking forward to watching this. Again, a thank you to our title sponsor, Ocala Horse Properties. They've been here every year, and it's just an awesome support they give this competition. Nicely over the first two. Just a little slow around the end there for me, but again, now that we know that a clear round is going to get you in the jump off and you're not actually jumping against the clock right now. You can take the time as long as you freakishly good jumper. Take the time as long as you're under the time. That turn back to that Liverpool is away quote from the end gate. Sometimes that can affect, we've seen that come down a couple times, can affect the horses. Just a little bit being the leader there saying, no, you just better wait a minute for this triple. That's what makes these horses good, but sometimes you got to say, I know what's out there. Listen.
So Mia Farley working on a super clear round with this mare, just the last to go.
7 seconds, 5. And there you go. Another
All
one.
clear for Mia Farley and BGS Firecracker.
Another one into the jump off.
So now we have 11 going forward to the jump off.